Good morning. It is 8:45 a.m. Oh my days, I've got a sty or whatever you call it. This has been going on for like 3 weeks now, and it went away and it's come back. Oh. Right, I am alone at the moment. I'm at Fuzhou Normal University. Is it Fuzhou Normal University, maybe? I don't know what it's called. Anyway, so we're at this university campus. Navat has her HSK 6 examination this morning. She's just gone into the examination room, and the exam starts in about 15 minutes, so I'm on my own for about 2 hours. Let's explore. It's quite an old building. I'm gonna try and get one of those bikes. Share bikes and just roam around. Let's see, how do I get down there? Maybe there's some steps somewhere here. Okay, let's go down. Right, I'm gonna try and grab one of the share bikes. This campus is massive, so it's good that they allow the share bikes around here. Okay, I'm on the ground floor now. I think this is the Alipay bike. I can only use Alipay, so I hope I can get one of these bad boys. Is it Alipay? Yeah, it is Alipay. I can do this. I need a nice one, a newer one. This one looks new. The seat is so wet. That big building is a library, I think. Let's head towards the library. It's a beautiful day. Saturday, mate. So I'll spend my Saturday morning. That's what I like about these campuses in China. Whenever you go to a decent university campus, you'll find that they're just absolutely huge. But this one seems huge. It's like the Xiamen campus. Let's go this way, let's go around this way. Lots of share bikes, so it makes it very convenient. Lots of greenery, lots of trees and everything. I guess that's the dormitory, that big building in the distance. Oh my day, that's bumpy. Oh. Hold up, I gotta remember where I came from. I forgot. That way. Okay. This here is a library. It's huge. Look how beautiful that is. An old building, you can see. It's quite old. Oh, I think there's lots of foreigners here. No bikes. I guess nobody cares. And no one gives a shit. Okay. Fuck it, I'm following these bad boys. It clearly says stop bikes and blah blah blah, but nobody cares. Following all these lawbreakers. I'm a lawbreaker. Ooh, that's a 24-hour shop. Is it? Oh yes it is. No it's not. What is that? Oh, it's a supermarket. Is it? No. Oh, it's nice. But I don't think I can get in. I think I need student ID for that shit. It's 24-hour library. You can go and chill out, hang out there. Beautiful. So calm, right? It's beautiful. And that's where you break your balls. These guys are playing football early. It's like 9 a.m. Early morning footy session, that's good. I have no idea where I'm going right now. Let's go down this way. It's getting busier. Seems like the students are getting up. Mind you, it's a Saturday, so I'm not sure if they got classes today or just other shit. It says there, College of Chemistry and Material Science. I think this is the student dormitory. You can see all the clothes hanging out. Not bad though. It's quite nice. Wait, I found it. What is going on? It's like I wasn't even looking for it. It's like a magnet. M for magnet. I'm not even hungry. Oh, it's the first time I've seen a McDonald's. I'm like, I'm not even hungry. So you got like a 7-Eleven, a bakery, a McDonald's next door, a gourmet restaurant, McDonald's. First time I ever bypassed a McDonald's, be like, wow. I had hotel breakfast, I'm quite full, so I'm not gonna. Oh, nearly crashed. Nearly crashed. Yeah, no McDonald's. Let's go around this way. So yeah, no McDonald's for me today. This thing, you gotta pay 1 RMB. So you get on and you scan the code and it'll take you to where you wanna go. 1 RMB. That's like, how much is 1 RMB? $1? Not $1. 1 RMB, 10 RMB. About 12 cents. 13 pence. But imagine all the students that use that. What I love as well is you're just enveloped, is that a word? In these tree canopies, you know, within. So it's nice and fresh. You're just dodging bird poo. It's like a V. Wow. I think I'm way out now. No idea where I am. I'm lost. Yeah, you got little coffee shops, Places where the students can sit and just study. Again, the backdrop, look at that. Mountains, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. A bit of context here. Navat and I live in Xiamen Island, which is part of a province called Fujian province. Now, the capital of Fujian province is Fuzhou. So Fuzhou is approximately an hour and a half by train away from Xiamen. So we took the train yesterday to get here. And here we are. We're in the capital city of Fujian province called Fuzhou. And today we're at Fuzhou Normal University, where Navat has a HSK6 examination, and I'm just cycling around and getting lost on the campus. Yeah. So I guess this is campus police. Campus police. He'll probably stop me for filming on campus. So you can hear that. I guess that's a wake up bell or something like that. Woo! I would hate that. It is 9:15. Alarm for those students to wake up. Laboratory building for College of Computer and Cyber Security. That would be a good course to do, isn't it? Cyber security is a big thing now. That's a bumpy road. Bumpy, bumpy. Back at McDonald's from a different direction. Let's head back towards the library before I get lost. The place is just huge. Go this way. Another bump. Church. Okay, let's go past what looks like the canteen. It looks like the canteen. Let's see. Looks like a restaurant. So this is all the dormitory area where they live, and lots of restaurants and stuff here. You can see this is where it's a gourmet restaurant here, and I guess this is where they come for breakfast. Different restaurants. You got a coffee shop up there, Lupin Coffee, milk tea place, ice cream shop there. This is very convenient. Very nice. You can park your bike up there. Okay, let's head back. Back near the main library. Okay, back. We've got an hour and a half to kill. During the examination, you can't really see them. They're on the other side of that room. Okay. Sneaked into this empty room to just rest up. I ain't sitting on the floor for an hour and a half, forget that. It's so old. You can smell damp in here. Everything seems just outdated, including the projector. Everything is just stained yellow. It's an old campus, but it's nice. She left her bag with me, and I've just like gone through it to look for tissue, and I found this. It's probably been in there like for several years, but I don't care. It's choco mint, and I'm gonna eat it. Oh, I can't see her. She's in that classroom across the way. Is that her? That looks like her. Nope. Nope. Okay, she's finished her exam. How did it go?
I think it was okay.
It was okay? Oh, it's raining a little now. We're cycling back to the hotel. Unfortunately, Navat doesn't really have time to cycle around here now. We've got to check out the hotel in about 40 minutes, right? About 20-minute ride back. And then we'll go chill in Fujian. What is it? Fuzhou, isn't it? Sorry. Fuzhou city, yeah? It is huge. This way, right?
I don't know.
No. Oh. Babe, look, it's there, straight.
Where are we?
IKEA. IKEA. We made it to IKEA. How long has it been since we've been... the last time we went to Shanghai IKEA was like a year ago.
Yeah, it was a year ago.
No, less than a year.
It was July.
Less than a year, yeah. So now we've had lunch and we're quite full.
Oh, you are sleeping right now.
Yeah, I opened my right timer. I put my sunglasses in my eyes. Sunglasses. Tempt me.